Hey everyone, this is Monique Macklin over at the Pink Power CEO coming to you with some really good information, a credit lady gem, right? So last week I launched a new program called the Financial Foreplay. The Financial Foreplay consists of credit, cash flow, commodities, and coaching. So I put this all together because my mission is always to teach people how to make, manage, and multiply money. If you're not learning how to do that, then you will forever be in the rat race of having to trade your time for dollars. And that is not how you build wealth. There is no job on this earth that's going to make you wealthy. None. So let me tell you, we have put this together so that you learn how to use credit for what it was actually intended for. Credit was intended to build wealth. A single family house is a liability, it is not an asset. Driving a fancy new car, unless it's paying you, is a liability. Anytime you have to trade your time for dollars, it's a liability. So we want to show you how to take your credit, turn it into cash flow, also how to create a portfolio of investments through silver, gold, crypto, and we're going to show you how to do that so that you have a diversified portfolio, and we're going to coach you. That's the fourth of the foreplay. So it's credit, cash flow, commodities, and coaching. If you are serious about taking your life and lifestyle to a whole new level, changing the financial trajectory of your life, then this program is directly created for you. I am passionate about seeing people win when it comes to their personal finances, and I know that most people don't have cash that they have access to invest in certain things. So I teach people how to take their credit and do that. My team and I teach people how to do that. So to learn more, I want you to go to creditlady.info, complete that quick form, and then you'll be redirected to an overview of the program. When I tell you I have marked this down to the point where there are zero excuses, it's zero excuses. Again, creditlady.info. You're going to participate in learning about the financial foreplay. And also for the first 300 people, you'll get the introductory pricing that has been heavily discounted. So again, creditlady.info today, and I'll talk to you soon.